Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you my exercise, one of my exercise this morning, and this is incline push-up. So let's do this. Pwede mo siya guys pwede mo siya gamihan so kaya mo. So, 17. Pwede ka mag-post ng ganyan. So, para sa akin, mas madali ito na push-up kaysa regular push-up. So, yan lang ginagawa ko kaysa regular push-up. Mas nahihirapan ako. So, that is it guys. I'll see you on my next exercise. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me.